Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways how you can use DOMS blending brush pen. So this is a colorless brush pen and the first way of using it is using a tip over tip method with the yellow color, and now I'm using orange color. Now we will see this is how it's looking. We'll do it again. To clean the tip of this brush pen, we have to swatch it on a blank paper. Now the second method is swatching the brush pen on a palette. So here I'm using 2 shades of green and using the blending brush pen to pick it up, and let's see, I will take some more color and that's how it's looking. Now for the third method, I'm writing with a light shade. So as you can see here, I'm using the yellow color. Now on the top side, I'm using a very little orange color. Now I will use the blending brush pen and will spread this color like this. If you feel there is a lot of color at the tip of your brush pen, just swatch it on a blank paper and then again come and do the blending. So these are the 3 simple ways in which you can use DOMS blending brush pen and create amazing letters. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.